露出狐狸尾巴，露出狐狸尾巴。
Last time, we talked about fox spirit. It can shift, but its human disguise will return to its original form after a period of time. When its magic power fades out, the first part returning to original form is its tail. Therefore, this expression is used to describe someone's evil plan is exposed. For example,
佢終於露出狐狸尾巴，俾傳媒揭發辭職下台。佢終於露出狐狸尾巴，俾傳媒揭發辭職下台。
In English, it means his fox's tail was finally visible, and he was exposed by media. He resigned and stepped down. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.